Let's take a look at this problem. We got y squared is equal to x squared minus 64 and 3y is equal to x plus 8. And we'll solve this by the substitution method. Step 1. Solve the equation with the smallest powers for the variable the smallest power. Our equation with the smallest power is 3y is equal to x plus 8. And both of these are the first power, so it doesn't matter which one I focus on. I'll take the 8 over. So we got 3y minus 8 is equal to x. Step 2. Plug this into your other equation. So you got y squared is equal to x squared minus 64. Now here we just said that x is equal to 3y minus 8, so we're going to replace the x here with 3y minus 8. So we got y squared is equal to 3y minus 8 squared minus 64. And then we want to solve. Well, 3y minus 8 squared, that's 3y minus 8 times 3y minus 8 minus 64. Foil those. 3y times 3y is 9y squared. 3y times negative 8 is negative 24y. Negative 8 times 3y is negative 24y. Negative 8 times negative 8 is 64 minus 64. So we got y squared is equal to 9y squared minus, combine together like terms, negative 24y and negative 24y is negative 48y. And 64 minus 64 drops away. Now this is a quadratic, so I want to get everything on one side, 0 on the other. So I'll take the y squared over. And we got 0 is equal to 9y squared minus y squared minus 48y. 9y squared minus y squared is 8y squared minus 48y. We want to factor out GCF. They're both divisible by 8 and they both have a y. So factor out 8y. And that gives us y minus 6. Zero factor property. Set each factor equal to 0. So we'll set 8y is equal to 0. We'll set y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here I'll divide both sides by 8. And we get y is equal to 0. And this one, take negative 6 over, and we get y is equal to positive 6. Step 3. Plug that into the equation from step 1. It'll always be solved for the other variable. So we're going to plug those into x equals 3y minus 8. So on this one, we got x is equal to 3 times 0 minus 8, or x is equal to negative 8. So this answer will be negative 8, 0. Here, I'll plug the 6 in, so I got 3 times 6 minus 8. 3 times 6 is 18, minus 8 is 10. So we got x is equal to 10. So this answer is 10, 6. And those would be our two answers for that problem.